don't need to be a chef to make something this good. Just one pan, a handful of ingredients, and some love from my kitchen to yours. Let's make honey garlic butter salmon bites. Hey foodies! Welcome back to Ate's American Kitchen. I'm Chef Ate, a wife that loves to cook for her husband and share it all with you. If you love simple and delicious food that feels fancy, you're in the right kitchen. We're keeping it simple. Here's what you need. 150-gram salmon fillet, 2.5 tablespoons of butter, 2 garlic cloves, 2.5 tablespoons of honey, salt and pepper to your liking. Sriracha is optional if you like some kick, that's it. Pat salmon dry to get that crispy golden sear. Cut it into bite-sized pieces, then toss it in a bowl with a bit of olive oil, garlic powder, salt and pepper. That's the real secret. Season every layer and yes, add a little oil to your pan on a medium heat. Drop in the salmon bites, skin side first. Let it sizzle, don't crowd the pan and don't touch it too much. Give it 4 to 5 minutes to get that crispy side. Flip and cook the other side for 2 to 3 minutes. We're not going to dry, just golden and juicy. Set that gorgeous salmon aside. Same pan, less dishes. Melt butter, add in garlic. Let it cook until fragrant, not brown, approximately 1 to 2 minutes. Then pour in honey and give it a good stir. Let it bubble gently for 30 seconds to a minute until it gets glossy and rich. It smells like you spent hours, but we both know it took 5 minutes only. Add that salmon bites back to the pan. Spoon the sauce over until everything's coated in the golden sticky glaze. This is where the magic happens. If you like heat, sprinkle it with chili flakes. I'll use sriracha. If you have it at home, then use it. And that's it! Salmon bites that are crispy, buttery, garlicky, and just a little sweet. Oh wow! That flavor! Your kitchen just became a fancy restaurant. Let me know down below, would you serve this with rice, quinoa, salad, or straight from the pan just like I did? Here are some of the most common questions I see about this dish. Can I use other fish? Yep. You can use cod, shrimp, halibut, or just adjust the time. Can I bake it instead? Of course, yes. Sear then bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 to 8 minutes. Can I meal prep this? Of course, yes. Store in airtight container up to 3 days and reheat gently. If you made it this far, thank you foodies. Click like, comment, and subscribe for more easy dishes made with love. And if you're in the mood for another treat, watch next!